Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2011 Mazda 3 and I want to show you how to replace a mass airflow sensor. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so right here's our mass airflow sensor. This is what meters the amount of air that's going through into our intake and getting burnt up in our engine with the fuel. So what I like to do is just try to clean it up a little bit around the area. Doesn't have to be anything too special, but if I can at least get off the majority of the big chunks that are in the generalized area, I'm doing all right. With that done, there's a little push right here. I'm just going to squeeze it, give this a little wiggle, pops right off. We always check our electrical connectors for any funny colors. Rainbow colors inside of electrical connectors are very bad. You don't want any blues, reds, greens, well, pretty much anything except for metal color. This one looks great. I'll set it aside. We have two Phillips heads that are holding in the mass airflow sensor. So I'm just going to use this. You can use a regular screwdriver with a Phillips head if you want. That's what one of our screws looks like. Screw number two, the exact same thing as the first. Easy peasy. We'll grab this, give it a little wiggle, and it pops right up. Let's move ahead to the next step. Okay friends, a quick product comparison for you. Over here we have our original mass airflow sensor out of our 2011 Mazda 3. And over here we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. Both these pieces are manufactured the exact same specifications. They're both the exact same shape. They have their metering area in there. That senses how much air is flowing by. We have the electrical connector port. You want to make sure you have the same amount of prongs. This one looks perfect. Coming along the top, you can see we have the same two mounting holes. With all that said, I don't see any reason why this wouldn't be a quality part to install into the vehicle, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. If you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so we're going to take our brand new quality 1A Auto part, mass airflow sensor. It's going to go right in here, give it a little push, slides right down into its happy place. We've got our two screws. I'm going to get them both started in here before we tighten either of them down. We'll just see about getting it started. There we are, this one. Okay, they're both started in. I'll make sure I have this thing turned all the way down here. Here we are. Okay. What we're doing is we're just screwing into plastic here, so you don't want to go super tight, but you do want to make sure that you go tight enough to make a good seal on this. You don't want any air getting sucked in past this and not getting metered, getting sucked into the engine. Not only the fact that it's not going to be metered, but also it's not going to be filtered because the air filter is on the other side of it. Okay? So we'll grab our electrical connector. We already checked it. It looks great. We're going to slide it in and we're going to listen for a click noise. There it is. Nice and locked. Give it a nice little tug. Can't go anywhere. Close the hood. Down the road we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.